Hello, this is the 8-quart Instapot. This thing can do sauteing, it can do slow cooking. Literally, it makes my curries perfect, and it makes excellent perfection rice. Nothing better will come out. No other machine will cook rice better than this thing. And this will cook goat, every kind of pork, and just so many things. I mean, it's mind-boggling. So this one, you can tell how big it is by, here's my hand on a very large candle, and it can hold a pretty good large amount of meat. Over here in these two corners, there's a pocket for the lid. So when you come to turn it off, you can rest it with all that steam. You don't have to worry about it. It won't burn you, and you easily can set it right there. It won't tilt or anything, even with the pot empty, as you can see. This basket, it comes with the machine. It's a basket to roast chickens and meats, and you can set it on top. Always add liquid on the bottom, especially when you're cooking meats. The machine will tell you if you need to add more water. I would definitely clean this rubber seal every single time that you use it, because it can build up dirt there. It all washes easily, and just make sure you rinse it and pat it dry. Make sure that this little bowl that it comes with it is always in the Instapot when you cook, because if any food gets down there, you actually just kind of ruin your machine. So make sure some people have forgotten it, try not to, but this little bowl, it needs to go inside every single time, and it washes clean very easily. I just wash and dry and put it away. So like I said, levers, the lid can go in each side, and you'll know when the pot is ready because you can set it down. That means it's ready, and then completely ready to use is that sound. It does come with this little nozzle here, and just make sure it's always on this setting, this steaming setting. You will see a lot of pressure and smoke, steam coming up there. And then when it's time, when this pot is done cooking, you just turn it easily like that. I do it with my finger, be careful. Some people do it with rags just so they don't like the steam, but I don't mind hot things, and it never has burned me. And then when it's cooking, this button, it will rise up. And then, so when it's this way, this button will rise up. When you're done cooking, you do this, and it lets out the steam, and this button eventually goes down. And you can't open this pot until that red button goes down. It comes with a drip carrier in the back, so if too much steam builds up in there, it does drip in there. But other than that, it's very safe, and never burnt anything, and I've had a great time cooking things very quickly in it. So enjoy your Instapot. It's a wonderful, wonderful equipment in the kitchen.
There's my Instant Pot. It died today. I bought it last year, May 2015. They have a warranty of 1 year, they claim. So I emailed them today and told them it died. So it's not plugged in right now. As you can see, it's still dirty. I was using it when it died. And so I'm going to plug it in. Same plug as this here. So, this is the plug that goes in. And that's no power. It's dead. It's dead. So, I don't know what to do. Email them. I hope they replace it. Cross my fingers. I'll update you if they do. If they do replace it, then that's just tells me they're a good company, and they back their products. All right, thank you.